Welcome to Fluize. Here's the plan. This is your basic module, Level 1. You learn English by listening, like a child. No grammar, no fear. First, keywords for the things around you. Then a little story. You hear it again and again, every day this week. Repeat out loud. Copy my voice. And at the end, the same story in the present and the past. So, relax, listen, repeat. Subscribe to unlock the free basic module. Ready? Let's go. Chapter 1. The key words. Listen and repeat out loud after me. First, the keywords before our story. Listen and feel them. Say them with me big and happy. This is a cup, something close to you. This is a cup. That is a door, something far away. That is a door. Where is it? You ask about a place. Where is it? Here and there, close and far, here, there. It's a phone. It's here. It means it is. It's great. Now you feel the words. Let's hear them in a little story. Chapter 2, the main story. Now, just relax and listen. Don't translate, only feel it. Hi! Welcome back! Big smile. Let's go! Look around you. Things. So many things. Let's name them. This is a cup. This is a phone. This is a door. Point to them with me. Close to you? You say this. This is a cup. Far away? You say that. That is a window. For example, Mia holds a cup. This is my cup. Mia points to the door. That is the door. Where is the cup? Here. The cup is here. Where is the door? There. The door is over there. Here. And there. Say it with me. Here. There. This is your world in English. Listen again and again. Deep learning. Chapter 3, the most important one, the mini story. I ask, you answer out loud. Big smile. Sit up, shoulders back. Breathe. Ready? Answer out loud. Your turn. This is Mia. Mia has a cup. A small red cup. Mia loves her cup so much. Does Mia have a cup or a phone? Is the cup red or blue? Does Mia love it? A cup. A small red cup. And Mia loves it so much. Oh no, the cup is gone. Where is the cup? Mia looks and looks. Oh no, oh no. Is there a problem? Is the cup here or gone? Is Mia happy or worried? Gone! The cup is gone. Mia is so worried. Mia looks here. Mia looks there. Here? No. There? No. Where? Does Mia look here? Does she look there? Is she looking everywhere? Yes! Here, there, everywhere. Where is it? Then Tom smiles. Tom points. Mia, your cup, it's over there. Right there. Who finds the cup, Tom or Anna? Where is it? Here or over there? Tom. And the cup, it's over there. Mia smiles. A big, big smile. There it is. Thank you, Tom. Now Mia is happy. Hooray! Does Mia find the cup? Is she worried now or happy? She finds it. Now Mia is so happy. Hooray! That's the end of the mini story. Listen again and again. Deep learning, deep learning. Last chapter. The same story in the present and the past. Just feel the change. Every day, Mia looks for her cup. Tom points. It's over there. Mia smiles. Yesterday, Mia looked for her cup. Tom pointed. It was over there. Mia smiled. Hey, before you go, let's build this together. Hit subscribe and like to help us unlock the whole basic module for free. Every new subscriber gets us closer. 100, 500, 1,000. And tell me, comment your country. See you in the next lesson. Keep flowing.